Welcome back. We have discussed in the previous videos that land use is the outcomes of different biophysical factors, socio-economic determinants, natural variability, as well as the interaction of the determinants. Previous video also covered detailed description of biophysical determinants of land use change. In this video, we will discuss about the socio-economic determinants, natural variability of land use changes, as well as the interaction of the determinants. Let me first explain the socio-economic determinants of land use change. Anthropogenic alteration, that is for socio-economic well-being, have been reported as the most influential factors of land use change. Through the process of demographic change, industrialization, urbanization, economic and technological improvement, institutional factors, cultural factors, and globalization. Now, I would like to talk about the demographic factors of land use change. Change of population is often investigated as one of the most driving forces of global land use change. The world's population has grown at a rapid rate over the past 200 years. In the early 19th century, the world population was only 1 billion, whereas in 2019, this population has increased to 7.7 billion. This rapid growth has put tremendous pressure on nature and the environment, particularly on land. In order to provide shelter to the additional population, people are constantly changing the agricultural land and forest land and setting up their settlement, urban growth center, and industries. It is well documented that per capita farming land has been shrinking due to rapid demographic change that causes the reducing of agricultural productivity and ultimately conversion of farming land into other uses. Migration is also considered as the key factor of radical land use change and is happened basically due to the overpopulation. A large number of people migrate from rural to urban area or peri-urban area, also near to industrial area, with a view to receive services or take advantages from urban and industrial areas. This migration changes the land use pattern of the service areas. The figure shows the process of land use change through establishing initial housing that occupies only a small portion of green field, and day by day initial housing requires more land for other use like energy and water supply, road access, school and surgeries, shops, service and recreation. Finally, we can see that the housing, including other uses, occupies more land than the green field. This is one way we usually change our land use pattern because of demographic change. Industrialization. Industrialization is a set of process for economic transformation from primary to secondary economic activities through mechanization instead of manual production. This process started in the 1780s. The entire world has gone through this massive transition, which has a distinct impact upon the conversion of agricultural land as well as forest land. In addition, the pattern of societal value and lifestyle has greatly impacted by this transition. Economic factor. Industrialization is the main economic factor of land use change. However, other economic factors may be land value and income from land. Many scholars found that monetary rationality, focusing monthly income from land and land price as the key contributors for farmers' decision to land use change. Farah et al. 2019 explored that a decrease of 1,000 rupees monthly agricultural income can contribute to increase the likelihood of crop land transformation by 70% or more. Urbanization. Urbanization is another crucial factor of land use change. It is evident that most of the urban people are engaged with the secondary and tertiary economic activities. This process is considered as a profound cause of permanently decreasing agricultural land and forest land. In addition, real estate development is found as a new contributor in urbanization process in many developed and developing countries. Real estate development may convert open space, farm and forest land into built-up areas. Institutional factors. Almost in all cases, institutional arrangements, both formal and informal, make land use change. First of all, land ownership and tenure system are byproduct of law and possibly considered as the main factor of land use change. In addition, the policies of economic development of any country accelerate the development of that country, which is directly associated with the land transformation. Cultural factors. Land has a close relationship with human culture and values. In particular, the indigenous people have historically developed close ties to the land. They have been using the land for their livelihood. Several researchers explored that land use decisions can be changed or exist on the basis of the land managers' histories, attitudes, beliefs, and individual perceptions. In addition to that, land use is changing in various ways. For example, parks, theaters, theme parks, etc., to meet the recreational needs of urban and peri-urban people in almost every country. Moreover, in some cases, religious factors or religious culture contributes to change the use of land in any place or any areas by constructing religious places of worship and educational institutions. Globalization acts as the underlying force of land use change around the world by eliminating the regional barriers and implementing unifying theme. It has a great impact on the other factors of land use change through green certification, eco-labeling, information technologies. Sustainable land management policies of all the countries under the support of the United Nations are replaced based on the policy decisions made by the several programs of the United Nations and its various organizations. World's economic landscape in urban areas are largely depends on internationalization of the industrial activities, which are directly associated with the land use change. Natural variability. Almost all types of hazards including flood, cyclone, storm surge, tornado, landslides, bushfire, heat waves have short-term and long-term effects on land use change. In addition, hazardous prone area having other land transformation factors make acute alteration of land use. On the other hand, land use changes may also occur during land use planning or land management or land development for managing hazards or minimizing its effect. For example, construction of polder for protecting flood, cyclone shelters for sheltering people during emergency period, bridges and culvert for draining flood water, and afforestation projects have been changing land use as a post-hazard management activity. Interaction of factors. In most cases, more than one factor together changes land uses of a certain area. The combination of these factors will change the use of land, which also largely dependent on the environmental and climatic condition of the area. In addition, land use is also regulated by the laws and policies of the area. Most institutional land use changes are based on human needs, environmental impact, and legal issues. But at the individual level, land use changes occur with the increase in population, the breakup of the joint family into a small family or single family, that is also called as monopoly family, the value of land, the suitability of land, and so on. In addition, natural hazards often change the land use pattern in some cases or some areas. Thank you for watching this video. We will discuss about the effects of fossil fuels and nuclear power on land use in the next video.